Hi my friends, today I want to speak about a very important topic for all of us and our families. My video is about a lead-based paint. It's very important to know to all people who want to rent a property which was built before 1978, you should know about a lead-based paint. This substance can damage your brain, can damage your kidneys and nervous system as well. Be cautious and ask your landlord about a report which would disclose all hazards and which prove you that your place is safe for you and for your children. Know your rights, be cautious, be smart. It's very important in our life. Anyway, see you soon.